So this is the most expensive electric scooter I have ever tested. You get the quality, you get the power. I mean, why would you buy a Toyota Corolla if you can afford a Bugatti? So let me tell you all about this $4,000 electric scooter called the Mearth Cyber.
Mr. Black.
Woo! By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger, click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a coupon code that you do not want to miss out on, and a surprise link. And just look at how magnificent this thing looks. It's eye-catching, from the solid deck and the wheel design up to the 3.5-inch color screen. And this is just during the day. At night, it's a whole different beast. It's made out of 6000 series aero-grade aluminum alloy, specially painted with a sleek matte black finish. And this scooter isn't lightweight by any means, weighing 39 kilograms. But as we get into the speed and motors, well, you definitely don't want to be standing on anything flimsy. In the deck is a built-in battery that's 60 volts, 26 ampage hours with A4A fast charging technology. So you can charge this thing up from 30 to 80% in just 2 hours. But there's also an option to add another charger and you can charge it up in half that time. You have 10-inch all-terrain wheels that are pneumatic, making it wear resistant against cement, dirt, mud, bricks, and gravel roads. This also makes it non-slip, anti-skid, and shock absorbing. And as you can see, there's a built-in front and rear suspension, just making it robust and sturdy. When I take this thing off roads, it honestly feels like I'm floating on a cloud. And I also love the design of the front wheel where it feels like you could just turn on a dime, just making it so much easier to maneuver around. Up to the handlebars, it's a really comfortable grip for long rides. You have the throttle here and you have a turbo eco button, depending on if you are just cruising or if you want to go a lot faster. And there's also a single or dual motor button in case you need to scream up those hills. There are 2 handbrakes on here for the front and the rear. They are hydraulic brakes plus ABS braking system. And yeah, these brakes are really responsive. And on the other side, you have a switch for the really bright headlight, and you also have indicator lights for when you're on the road. There's also a small controller on here to power it on. You can also change modes, turn on these awesome lights, and navigate around the screen, which is great because it displays your trip info, your speed, your temperature, and you can unlock much more in the menu system, like using the anti-theft system. You could set up a password that you have to enter into to be able to make it start. The Cyber has built-in sine wave controllers as it connects all the electrical parts of the electric scooter together. The motor has 3,200 to 4,000 watts of absolute power, giving you a max range of 75 kilometers or 47 miles with a top speed of a whopping 75 kilometers per hour. You can scream up hills at an insane slope of 70%. Like any hill that my other scooters couldn't even dream of climbing, this can do it easily and fast too. The scooter has a max load of 180 kilograms, which is almost 400 pounds. So yeah, that's solid, with an IP rating of IP54, so it's water resistant, which also is resistant to the dust. Getting to the lights, this front dual LED headlight is extremely bright, and you turn on the logo lights and you can use the remote to change the different colors or lighting effects. And Mearth is an Australian brand. They ship free Australia-wide. They also ship to New Zealand. But if you really want to get something like this and you live outside of Australia, just contact them and they might be able to set something up. So it's sleek, it's powerful, and it will take you the distance, especially on those long rides. So if you are interested in this Mearth scooter, do check out the link in the description and use the coupon code because you could save up to $400 on a $4,000 scooter. And if you are interested in some of their other scooters, check out my other reviews. Mearth has a lot of different variety of scooters for everyone's needs, and one might be perfect for you. So check it out there. Otherwise, stay tuned to the channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.